Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to click on this search menu, then type here troubleshoot. Click on this troubleshoot settings. Here you will find other troubleshooters. Click on this. Scroll down. You will find here Bluetooth. Click on run. And it will search for if there is any problem with your Bluetooth, and it will fix it automatically. After trying this method, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Click on this search menu and type your device manager. Click on this device manager. Here you will find your Bluetooth driver. Double click on that. Select your Bluetooth device. Right click on that. Click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers. After that, still it is not working, then what you have to do, just uninstall it and reinstall your driver. After trying this option, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method. Click on this search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. Here you need to find Bluetooth. Scroll down, you will find here 3 Bluetooth services. First, right click on properties, click startup type as automatic, click on apply, click on start, click on apply, click OK. After that, make sure the service should be restart. Now do the same for the second driver. Now do the same for the second services. Right click on that, click on property, select automatic, apply, start, OK. Now you can see the third Bluetooth service. Right click on that, click on properties. You have to not change any this startup type, let it be as it is. Click on start, click on OK. Right click on that, click on restart. After trying all these options, hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, then in the last and final method is you have to update your Windows. For that you have to just click on the start menu, click on settings. Here you will find Windows update. Click on that. Click for check for update. After updating, restart your PC. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Bluetooth device not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.